Welcome to the second part of the lecture, Introduction to Electric Drives. First, we will discuss the choice of electric drives or selection of electric drives. When we choose an electric drive for a particular application, the following factors are to be considered. First is the steady state operation requirements. They are the nature of speed torque characteristics, speed regulation, speed range, efficiency, duty cycle, quadrants of operation, speed fluctuations, ratings, etc. Next category of factors are transient operation requirements. They are values of acceleration and deceleration, starting, braking and reversing performance. These are to be considered for the transient operations, that is whenever there is a speed change. Next is the requirements related to the source, that is requirements related to the power supply available. So the type of source and its capacity, the capacity of the power supply is to be considered. Next, magnitude of voltage, voltage fluctuations, power factor, harmonics and their effect on other loads, ability to accept regenerative power. Some of the power sources may not be able to accept regenerated power. Next, capital and running cost, maintenance needs and life. Next, space and weight restrictions if any. Next, environment and location. And finally, the reliability. These are the factors to be considered when you choose an electric drive for a particular application. Next is the advantages of electric drive. That is the advantages of electric drive over other mechanical drives. First, they have flexible control characteristics. That is the steady state and dynamic characteristics of electric drives can be shaped to satisfy the load requirements. Next, drives can be provided with automatic fault detection systems, PLC, that is programmable logic controller, and computers can be employed to automatically control the drive operations in a desired sequence. Next, they are available in wide range of torque, speed and power. They are easily available in the market. They are adaptable to almost any operating conditions such as explosive and radioactive environments. So, in explosive and radioactive environments, it is the electric drives are very much popular as compared to mechanical drives. Next, it can operate in all the four quadrants of speed torque plane, that is forward motoring, forward braking, reverse motoring and reverse braking. All these are possible with electric drive. Next, they can be started instantly and can immediately be fully loaded. This is not possible in the case of mechanical drives such as diesel or petrol engines. It may take some warming up time for starting. Next, control gear requirement for speed control, starting and braking is usually simple and easy to operate. The control gears are simple and easy to operate. Thank you.